Hello, good morning, good Sunday morning. This is Keto Granny, and I thought that I would make a quick video presentation about portion control. Portion control on the keto diet, or really on any diet that you do, portion control is very, very important. I seen where someone had asked the question in the group. Um, I wanted to share with you some of the things that I do to help me be successful on the ketogenic diet, especially as far as eating my meals. Most of the meals that I eat, I use a saucer. And this is the size saucer that I use. And the reason I use a saucer is it gives me the illusion of thinking I have a full plate, which I do have a full plate because I have a full saucer. But that helps me control my portions. When you see me have a meal and I will have a meat, I will have a side, and then I will have at least half a plate or more of vegetables, then you will see me use a regular size plate. But most of the time when you see me eating my meals, you will be seeing a saucer, a full saucer, and you will be seeing a bowl. I use different sized bowls for my eating, and this is the bowl that I usually use for my salad. Now, if I'm eating salad usually once a day, or I haven't had a lot of salad, I will use a large bowl. And when I say a large bowl, I use large bowl. This is my large bowl that I eat with my salad, which you will see me eating a lot out of this bowl with salad. On the keto diet, you need to eat at least 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day. And that's really and very important that you do that. You do that because you want to maintain your electrolytes in your body, your vitamins, your minerals. You want to feel good. You don't want brain fog. You don't want muscular aches. And this helps with all of that. Eating vegetables is what's going to keep you healthy on this diet. Now, I have other size bowls that I eat, but the main dishes that I use, I practice portion control a lot. So if it helps you to stay on your diet, someone else in the group here, they use a saucer also, and I told them that's what I mainly use to eat with. And when you see me taking pictures, I want you to see the foods that I'm eating, so I'm going to get close-up shots. So it's going to look like a lot of food, but you need to eat a lot of vegetables every day. Every day. I can't stress it enough. Now I want to show you also what your plate should look like if you're eating foods on the keto diet. The way I feel your plate should look. And this is another size bowl that I also use for my salads. And then for my ice cream or something like that for a serving, I use this little bitty bowl. But you find you some dishes that you can use that's going to help you be successful on the diet. Now, I'm going to show you what I think your plate should look like as far as when you're eating your foods. Now, I haven't had breakfast yet, and a lot of times I don't have breakfast until early afternoon, after 12 or 1, sometimes not until 3 o'clock in the evening. And normally when I do that, it's going to be a big meal because more than likely I'm going to end up doing OMAD when I eat so late in the afternoon. And then before I go to bed, I may add in something else like a broth. I would drink broth, or I may add in a spinach smoothie. Or another small salad. And it just depends on how I have eaten when I have my meal. Now, this is how I believe your plate should look on the ketogenic diet. I believe as far as meat, you want your meat to be about a quarter of your plate. You want to have a meat serving. Then you want to have a side veggie here. And then the rest of that plate, which is going to be half, make it with a salad or vegetables that you like. And that way, that's going to help you reach your quota for your vegetables, 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day. And then also on the salad, you want to add in some dressing. And that dressing is basically going to be your fat. So this is how I believe your plate should look as you're doing the ketogenic diet. As I said, portion control is very, very important. That's why I stress that you need to have a fitness application where you can track the foods that you're eating. You want to make sure that you're eating 70% of fat, and you're going to get your fats mainly from your meats, your eggs, from healthy fats that you're going to add in as far as your dressings like avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, ghee. These are some of the ways that you're going to be getting your fat in. But on 70% worth of fats, you want 20% worth of protein, which is be your meats, and then you want 5% to 10% worth of carbs and vegetables on this diet. They say limit your carbs between 20 to 50 net carbs per day, and I say limit them to 20 carbs per day or lower, depending on what you need to do. Again, this is what your plate is going to look like. And as you're doing this diet, as I said, you want to eat you want that to be your meat serving. For your side, when I put you on a side dish, you can have cauliflower rice, you can have Brussels sprouts, you can have anything you want on that side, but it can't be grains, pasta, nothing with sugar, anything like that. That's what you want, meat in your side. And then for the rest of that plate, I put veggies. Put veggies, and then I put fat there because put you a little bit of olive oil with a little bit of pink salt, a little bit of sea salt. Add you dressing there. Add you a little bit of fat onto those vegetables or to your salad. And that is what your plate should look like on this diet. Meat, your side, and then your vegetables and fat, and aim for 7 to 10 cups of vegetables per day. This video will be posted in the group. If you have any questions, make sure that you post those below, and I will see you Wednesday at 7 o'clock. Enjoy your day and happy Sunday.